Alright, let's look at the homework 6.5, problem number 3. Right, so let's find the average function value here. Alright, so we want to find the average of function h here, so h average. So just following the formula, so it's a 1 over, alright, pi minus 0 integral from 0 to pi. Alright, so this is a function here, so I'm going to actually place 3 outside, so I'm going to put 3 there. Then we have cosine to the 4th power of x times sine of x with respect to x. Alright, so I'm going to use a substitution here. So I'm going to let u be cosine of x, then take the derivative of u with respect to x, which is negative sine of x, and then take the reciprocal of both sides. You get dx over du is equal to 1 over negative sine of x. Alright, then multiply through by du to isolate dx. Alright, so we have a du over negative sine of x. Alright, then also this is a definite integral, so I have, let's see, x is going from 0 to pi. Alright, so corresponding u value would be cosine of 0 is 1, and the cosine of pi is negative 1. Right, so this is going to be equal to 3 over pi. Alright, then you have integral. It's now going from 1 to negative 1. Then you have a cosine to the 4th. It becomes u to the 4th. Alright, and I'm going to leave sine of x as it is for now. Alright, so dx. So we found dx right here. So 1 over, actually, sorry, not that one. This one right here. Alright. So I'm going to plug this guy in right here. So we get du over negative sine of x. Alright, so we can cancel sine of x on top and the sine of x on the bottom. And also, I'm going to use this negative sign to switch the upper limit and the lower limit. So this is going to be negative 1. This is going to be positive 1. Alright, so if you clean this up, you get this. You have a 3 over pi. Alright, so you have an integral from negative 1 to 1 u to the 4th du. Alright, so since this is an even function and it goes from negative 1 to positive 1, I'm going to actually integrate just a halfway, so from 0 to 1, u to the 4th du, then double it, so it's going to be 6 over pi. Right, so finding the antiderivative, 6 over pi is still there. Antiderivative of u to the 4th is u to the 5th and over 5, and you're going from 0 to 1. Alright, so if you plug in 1 here, you get 1 over 5. And if you plug in 0, it's 0, so I'm not going to write that. So what you get is 6 over 5 pi. Alright, so let's type it in. So we got 6/5 pi. Alright, so let's submit for testing. Alright, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.